Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan here. Incredible video today. Lyft is launching bonuses for drivers, a new bonus structure, and basically a new way to ensure that drivers are getting paid more. And I think this is because Uber is getting more popular, and they're kind of winning with drivers. So Lyft is introducing this new bonus structure to kind of recruit new drivers, which, by the way, we do have a link below to sign up for Lyft. If you haven't yet signed up, you will get a bonus or a guarantee of up to $2,000-$3,000, so check that out right now. First, I did want to tell you about Solo. Solo is an incredible app right now, and this is your very last chance to get $15 if you're a gig driver, to simply sign up for free anywhere in the country for Solo. They have this promo going on literally till the end of the month, end of August. And then that bonus does drop. So you get $15 to sign up for free. You get pay guarantee if you're in one of the qualifying areas, $27, $37 in an hour for Lyft. And the company is super incredible. And again, they're expanding their new company, $5 million in funding. Sign up, it's a no-brainer for Solo. And let's get into the bonus structure for Lyft. We are looking at the Rideshare Guy. If you know, even the Rideshare Guy is promoting Solo. That's pretty funny. But look at this. So the Rideshare Guy, he is, very intertwined with Uber. He has a whole partnership with Uber. He's interviewed the Uber CEO. He's very intertwined with Lyft, all these other gig apps and all these other things. But look at this, he shared this. So basically it seems like this is most likely an official announcement from the Rideshare Guy. And it says Lyft is introducing a busy or bonus guarantee where if you go 5 minutes without a ride request, you will get $2.50 added to the next ride. And for each minute that passes, $1 will be added, up to 10 bucks, meaning that you'll make $1 a minute if you're waiting. And I don't know about you, but this sounds freaking amazing, because if you've ever gone out and drive for Uber or for Lyft, and I've had to wait 30 minutes in between each ride before driving for Lyft. I literally take naps sometimes because I'm like literally waiting so long. But look at this. So if you go 5 minutes without a ride request, you get $2.50. And then each minute that passes, another $1 will be added. So that's like $10 just in like, what, 12, 13 minutes? I mean, that's pretty freaking good to me, bro. I'll gladly take that 10 bucks. And the best part is, you didn't spend any gas money, you didn't drive around, put wear and tear in your car, you literally just sat there and got your $10. I mean, if you can actually get these $10, that's like pure profit, because again, there's no expenses on that. You're just sitting there earning money. This could be an absolute game changer, and I don't think Uber's gonna do this. So, this could be really cool, a really good advantage to driving for Lyft. And again, we do have that link below for new drivers signing up for Lyft. You get another little bonus when you use our unique link. It's called the Busier Bonus Guarantee. Go online during offer hours. So this is how it looks in the app. Drive when busier bonus, and let me know if you have access to this yet. Drive when busier bonus is offered. Unlock the bonus between rides. If more than 5 minutes pass without any ride request, you'll be eligible to receive a bonus when you accept and complete your ride. I mean, might as well go log on during the non-busy hours. Now our whole strategies are going to change here, because usually I'd say, oh, drive during rush hour, drive during surge pricing, and really popular times. But now I'm like, go and drive when it's dead. You make $10 in an hour, completely for free, no gas, no expenses, no maintenance in your car. Bro, sign me up. If more than 5 minutes pass, you'll be eligible to receive a bonus when you accept and complete your ride. After the first 5 minutes, the bonus will increase by $1 per minute until you get a ride, up to a maximum of 10 bucks. The bonus will reset if you go offline, cancel, or miss a ride. Get paid. Accept and complete your next ride to earn the bonus. So so it's gonna add to your next ride. So you basically have to do one ride after that, I guess. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. So anyways, big shout out to the Rideshare Guy. Thank you for, sharing this. I'm always looking for new info. So if you ever have anything like that, you can send it my way and I will make a video about it. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Definitely check out Solo. Sign up before the end of the month to get your 15 bucks. Again, that after the end of the month drops down to 10. So you get an extra 5 bucks if you sign up right now. Totally for free anywhere in the country. If you live in Timbuktu, Idaho, Nebraska, New Jersey, I don't care. Sign up for free, get your $15. You have to link your gig account when you do that. Then go into your wallet and type in your payment method, and you'll get that on Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching today's video, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.